Chinese words are made up of one syllable sounds. These sounds all start with an initial and they all end with a vowel sound called a final. For example, the word for cat, meow, here M is initial and ow is final. There are 6 vowels in Chinese language and these 6 vowels are known as simple finals. The first one is a. Say it with full open mouth. A. The second is o. E. In Chinese, I gives sound of E. Next is oo. And the last one is ew. For saying this dotted U, spread your lips and say E. Then slowly round your lips. Ew. This written order for vowels is very important. We need to remember them with this order. It will help us in tone marking. In addition to these 6 simple finals, we also have 29 compound finals and in total there are 35 finals. Now we practice all 35 finals. A, I, ow, an, o, au, ye, yan, yang, i, ya, yao, yan, yang, ye, yu, yin, ying, yung, u, wa, wai, wan, wang, wo, we, wun, yu, yue, yun, yuan, a, I, ow, an, o, au, ye, an, al, i, ya, yao, yan, yang, ye, yu, yin, ying, yung, u, wa, wai, wan, wang, wo, we, wun, yu, yue, yan, yin,